This is the Cobra 200 GTL-DX CB radio. Not much going on in CB today, but I wanted to demonstrate it anyway. It has frequency and channel. It also does the alpha channels. You can see that by the dot. This is 19 alpha. This is 19. 15 alpha. 15. I think this is a local.
I think it sounds really good. 10-4, 10-4. Alrighty. Oh, you at Gremlins? That's coming from Gremlins? Yeah, 10-4. I was slow and fixed the radio. Wow, that's pretty cool. It's much better. 10-4. Alrighty.
A little bit of propagation, but it is really a sorry state of conditions today. This is channel 6. These are the 10 kilowatt guys. Splatter all over the band. It's the only thing we hear today. Okay, now we're in the upper band. Maybe there is something there. It is really some single sideband. Sounds like we got some openings to the south, Middle and South America. But it sure ain't much. I wonder if that's echo from backscatter or that he has echo on his rig. I don't know. Anyway, so the radio has 4 bands. This is the low band. Goes down to 26. This is the second band. This is the third band. And this is the fourth band. We'll give a shout on the microphone. AM first, I guess. Well, let's do single sideband. We have a monitor receiver here. A Yaesu 817 and a watt meter. Oops, a little bit loud. That is a bit loud. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Excellent modulation. As you see, about 105 watts at peak. It's good power. Radio also has echo. Oops, I gotta put it in AM. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hello. Hello. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pretty cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Turn it off again. Man, I wonder where the sunspots are this year. It's just nothing. Locals are gone too. We got noise blinker. High power, low power. Roger beep. Man, this guy's splattering. Jesus. We have volume squelch, microphone gain, RF gain, clarifier fine and coarse. It is unlocked for both fine and coarse. There is the echo and there is the VSWR meter. This is the band switch, 4 bands of each 500 kilohertz, and this is the mode switch, CW, frequency modulation, amplitude modulation, upper sideband, lower sideband. It's quite a versatile radio, 100 watts. It looks in very good condition. Mobile bracket is still there. Nice rig. Not much going on. Brazil, South America. And this concludes the video for the Cobra 200 GTL DX CB radio. Thank you for watching.